Okay, welcome to Hemi Kid Gaming. We're going to do an unboxing of this new Thrustmaster flight yoke for the Xbox Series X. Okay, the box is pretty nice. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Let's see if we get her open. Right. Okay, they give you a little handout here. It's a user manual. Not too much to this. Okay, what do we get with this guy? Here's this half, and here's this half. Okay. And here's the thing that I'm concerned about, is the length of this cord. I already ordered an extension for this, because I don't think it's going to be long enough. Let's see. It's about 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot, 4 foot. Let's just say 5 foot long. It's probably not going to be long enough. You're probably going to need an extension. Okay, looking at this thing. Rotates here, up here, buttons. There's a PC or Xbox, and this is your rudder plug. If you buy the optional rudder, you can plug it in right there. This here is joystick resistance. Turn it to the right, it's plus. Turn it to the left, it's minus. And boy, it's hard to turn. Oh. Yeah, it's pretty hard to turn. Here you have the Xbox button, just like your controller. And then this here is for your speed, up or down. This doesn't turn left or right, but it does have some buttons on the back, which I'm going to do a installation video once I get my extension for my USB. And when I do that, we'll go through the setup of it and we'll see how it works. But I mainly wanted to show everybody what the unboxing looked like. And you do have additional cord back here. So if you wanted to mount this thing like say on a chair, and you had one side you'd have this, and the other side you have this. You could do it like that, and you could spread it apart because you can uncoil this coil in the back. And here's some more buttons. And of course, the different games, you'll be able to assign the buttons that you want. Like here's A, B, and X, and then your Y button. And then and this in the back, I'm not too sure what that's for. I guess we'll have to assign it once we get it set up. And then this here will clip together somehow. Not positive of that, but it looks like it clips together somehow. I may even have to shorten the cord up more to do it. Let's see, take this out like so, and then see if we can get the clip together. Ooh. You know what? This here requires some, looks like an Allen wrench. So it looks like you're going to have to take out these two screws here with an Allen wrench, connect these together and put the screws in to hold it. Which is something I'm probably going to do for now, until I get it set up the way I want it. But it looks pretty good. I got it on sale on Amazon. I think the regular price was $89.99, and they had it on sale for $64.99. So I paid $65 for it. Looked at some other reviews on this flight yoke, and they all seem to be really good. There's actually I watched the Xbox tester. He said he's done 1,500 hours with it. He hasn't had no problem. So I'm hoping this is going to improve my flight on the Microsoft Flight Simulator. And I'm also going to do some videos with the new Ace Combat game, because this was used for that too. So if you would, you know, my channel is Hemi Kid Gaming. And I can use many subscribers as I can. I'm trying to build my channel up. So subscribe. I've got a lot of Forza 5 on there, and the Flight Simulator, and I also have some PS4 stuff, Gran Turismo 7. So check out my gaming channel and subscribe to it. And I'm going to do a part 2 of this, where I actually install it, and we're going to give it a try and see how it works. Well, thanks for watching the video, and hopefully I'll see you in the comments on some of my videos. Thanks. Bye.